How to destroy your hard disk. Subscribe for more videos. Once you have wiped your disk drive, you can also consider destroying it completely. If you are worried about some sensitive or completely worthless data on the disk, trying these methods for destroying the hard disk drive may satisfy you. But make sure that you do not attempt any of the following methods if you are not confident about the results. Method 1. It is the most direct and fastest method that can be used to destroy the platters of hard disk drive. Put your disk on a hard concrete surface so that the surface does not get affected by hammering. Put on your safety goggles and gloves to avoid any harm to your eyes and hands. Now start beating up the disk with a hammer and destroy it to small pieces. Ensure that nobody else gets harmed by this procedure. Do this procedure with great precautions. Make sure you are not posing a harm threat to anybody who is present in the same room. The glass and ceramic platters shatter readily while the metal platters certainly deform. Very carefully dispose of all pieces of the destroyed platters. Collect the shattered pieces carefully so that they do not harm anybody who visits the place after this procedure. Method 2. Melt your hard drive by using acid. You will need a strong acid like a battery acid or some other acid with similar properties. Dunk your hard disk into a container filled up by acid and watch your hard disk dissolve slowly. Make sure you dispose of the acid properly after you have dissolved your hard drive. Acids are harmful, so proper care should be taken while attempting this procedure. Once the hard disk is dissolved, all your data gets permanently destroyed. You can also try melting your disk drive by placing it in a microwave. Burn your hard disk. Heat alone probably will not destroy all your data, but putting your disk drive on fire will surely work for you. The fumes of a burning hard disk are dangerous for health, so make sure that you do not inhale the fumes and stay away from the fire. Put your hard drive on fire in such a place where you can manage and control the fire. It takes a few minutes to burn the disk completely. After your disk drive is destroyed, extinguish the fire. Method 4. Hard drive can also be permanently destroyed by using hardware tools. You can use a drill machine to make holes in the disk drive platters. Drill several holes in the platters to make sure that no data can be recovered from it. You can also try using a saw to destroy your hard disk. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.